Ang dami na nagba-vlog about immigration in Canada. So, bakit kailangan sumausaw pa ako dito? Hi, I'm Lou, your immigration lawyer. Kamusta? Ang dami ng boses pagdating sa immigration dito sa social media. So, bakit pa kailangan dumagdag netong si Lou? Well, ang totoo niyan, gusto natin talaga basagin yung trend lines ng fake news and misinformation. Ang gusto natin is makapagbigay tayo ng legal information, legal education, para mabigyan ng gabay ang mga individuals who are in their own immigration path. Their journeys are very important. Kailangan nila ng tamang information. Ito ang gusto nating ibigay sa channel na ito. So, sino ba ako? Siguro nakita niyo na akong pakalat-kalat whether sa CBC News, Toronto Star, Omni, or paminsan sa YouTube channels like In a Nutshell. So, officially introduce ko na rin sarili ko. My name is Lou nga pala and I'm an immigration lawyer. I went to the University of Ottawa to pursue my law degrees in both English Common Law and French Civil Law. At bukod dyan, nakapagtapos po ako ng master's ko sa Ateneo sa National University of Singapore. And I've been working in the immigration space for approximately 11, 12 years. 7, 8 years practicing as a lawyer. And of course, the rest of it doing volunteer work while I was still in law school. Bakit nga ba ako napunta sa immigration? Well, ang totoo niya, nagsimula ako in my law career in civil litigation. Employment law and human rights po yung area ko talaga noon. But in the end, napansin ko parami yung client files ko na patungkol na sa immigration. And doon ko na-realize yung intense need for immigration lawyers. And minabuti ko na rin talaga na mag-specialize dito sa area na to. And that's how I ended up with a dedicated team at LJD Law. And I have a team of superb individuals who work on our cases, whether it's at the Federal Court of Canada or mismo sa IRCC, minsan sa IRB, at sa iba't ibang visa offices across the world. In my years of practice as an immigration lawyer, guys, I've experienced or seen firsthand yung criminal inadmissibility, medical inadmissibility, pati na rin yung mga simpleng tourist visas. Paminsan, pwedeng simple lang yan. Pwedeng mag-explode into a situation of complication. Meron din kami mga cases na inakyat namin sa federal court. Pinaglaban din namin ang mga clients namin sa Immigration Refugee Board. So in the end, guys, ang gusto namin dito is ma-relate and share yung experiences namin in this field. At baka kasi you yourself, you're going through the same process. Baka meron kayong mga tanong. Baka yung legal information and education na sinishare namin dito sa channel na to makatulong somehow. Or at least point you in the right direction. Kamusta naman ba sa Canada ngayon? Well, ang totoo nito, napaka-complicated ng situation in Canada. Siguro nababalitaan ninyo, whether through the news or even on social media, na ang daming nagsastruggle to find their footing as permanent residents in Canada. The hard truth is, there's approximately 2.1 million individuals in Canada who are temporary residents. So ito po yung mga students, ito rin po yung mga workers. At marami sa kanila, if not almost everyone, they want to get their permanent residence. So in the end, this is a numbers game and what we have is a math problem because 2.1 million versus in 3 years, approximately 1 million slots, hindi siya nagmamatch. So ultimately, meron tayo, unfortunately, mga winners, meron tayo mga losers. So in the end, information is key, knowledge is power. And if you put this all together, you have a fighting chance. And ang hope namin dito sa channel na to is we become a part of that journey, whether through information lang or usap tayo. So guys, if you have any comments, questions, or topic suggestions, lagay nyo dun sa comments section. I'm looking forward to reading them and building this online community together with you guys. Gusto ko marinig yung mga stories ninyo, pati stories ng family ninyo. Yung stories nila, baka nagsisimula pa lang sila sa journey or patapos na sila. Excited ako marinig yung mga kwento na to. Kwentuhan tayo. Again, this is Lou, your immigration lawyer. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.